Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload your HTML file or HTML project to the GitHub. So here you can see I have a HTML project here. You can see HTML project, and in this HTML project I have some folder and some file. So I want to upload this project to the GitHub. So how can we do it? So for it, first of all, we need to go to the browser and then we need to log into our GitHub. So once you log in, you will see this option, top repositories, and this new button. Just click here on this new button, and here you need to give your repository a name. Let's say here HTML underscore test. I'm just giving a random name, and here you can see this name is available. After that, you need to make it public and also add a readme file. Then just go down, and here you can see create repository option. Just click here and a repository will be created. There you can see HTML underscore test. So how can we upload those file over here in the GitHub repository? So right now, in order to upload HTML project to this repository, what you need to do is that here you can see add file option. Just click here, and here you can see upload files option. Click here, then it will show you something like this. So right now what we need to do is that here you can see choose your file. If you now click on it, and then you need to go to that certain location, or what you can do is that you just need to go to your folder, and here you can see this is my project, HTML project. So we need to go inside, then we need to select all of those files and folder, then we need to drag those files and folder using our mouse like this. Here you can see I'm now dragging it, and I will just leave it over here. And once I leave it over here, there you can see it is uploading, and there's 28 files, so it will take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video a little bit, and there you can see our upload is complete. After that, we just need to go down, and once you go down, you will see this option or button called commit changes. So you need to click here, commit changes. There you can see processing your file. So it is uploading right now to our main branch. So here you can see our HTML project is uploaded to the GitHub repository. So this is how you can upload your HTML project to the GitHub. I hope this is useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.